Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at SALLES FRÈRES food confectioner in Aniane, France. SALLES FRÈRES is a key player in the regional French olive sector, specializing in a wide range of products, including olives, gherkins, and capers. The Vulcan S25 was installed to support their production processes. By integrating the Vulcan S25, SALLES FRÈRES ensures the efficiency of their water systems, supporting their commitment to high-quality products, including organic, vegan, and gluten-free options. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.